Hey, hey guys, this is my very first vlog and मेरी बहन का बर्थडे 10 दिन में आने वाला है and I thought of making her a handmade diary. So we'll start by making the paper, then the cover and देख लो यार पूरा process. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द पेपर. अब पेपर मैंने पहले भी 3-4 बार बनाया था एंड वो कभी भी सही से नहीं बना. इनफैक्ट आई हैव द सैम्पल्स राइट नाउ. You see, I made these a while ago and I posted about them on my Instagram. This is the best paper that I managed so far, but it's got way too many flaws. For once, it's way too thick, so when I fold, it actually breaks. Also, the top surface of the paper is brightly colored, but the bottom surface is just pale. I don't know how to solve the color problem, but I guess the problem with the thickness is because I used a net basket and I ended up using way too much pulp. To solve this problem, I got myself a DIY mold and decal. That's what it's called. I used to call it a frame with another frame with a net attached to it. Yeah, I'm done. And I don't need to do this. Anyways, I got this made from a carpenter and it cost me like 300 rupees and I just really hope it's worth the money. I'll begin by tearing up all my notes.
Much later.
I didn't like the color of the pulp, so I tried adding haldi to it to give it a yellow color. But it didn't work at first, so then I added some white paint to it as well. Then I added some more haldi and then I ended up with a beautiful yellow color. Also, for some reason I don't have the footage of me making the paper with the mold, so here's me laying the sheets on my bed sheet. अभी 2 घंटे में what I managed was 3 sheets of paper. I worked for 3 more hours and now I'm done with 13 sheets of paper and my room's a complete mess as expected, and I guess that's it for day 1. I'm done with pressing the papers and folding them and this is what my stack looks like so far. ये देखने में तो मोटा लग रहा है but इसमें pages बहुत कम हैं. It's like 24 pages or something and I want to add more pages, so आज I'll make some more papers.
346 minutes later.
I have made 14 more sheets of paper today and इससे पहले 24 बन चुकी थी, तो now it's about 38 sheets of paper and I forgot what to say next. Welcome to day 3. So आज बुक की बाइंडिंग का काम करना है. I stitched the paper into signatures of 4 and अब ये सारे signatures को साथ में पेस्ट करके एक टेक्स्ट ब्लॉक बनाना है. After that, we'll be adding the bookmarks and the cover. For bookmarks, I'll be using these ribbons and the book will have a velvet and a cardboard cover. I thought of using these buttons as well, but फिर समझ नहीं आया कि इनको कहाँ use करूँ, so the idea was scratched. So now the cover is done and now I'm attaching the text block to the cover with the help of 2 black pages. And finally, after 3 days of constant hard work, the handmade diary is ready. अब इतना लंबा वीडियो देख ही लिया है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो एंड कमेंट्स में से लिख करके बताओ कि ये वीडियो कैसा लगा एंड आगे फ्यूचर में ऐसे और वीडियोस चाहिए या नहीं. बाय.